Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a different video. I was decluttering and rearranging my closets, so I thought to do a video and share you. But before starting, I have already finished decluttering this section. If you can see this section already, I have decluttered and rearranged everything. So after that only I have got idea to do a video. So remaining whatever I declutter, I'm going to show this in a video. So let's get started. Before starting the video, I will going to tell you this my video might be little bit longer because of I'm going to declutter 3 wardrobes. One is of mine, then another is this dressing table which is completely mess, and this drawer of my heat tools and all. And then coming to this last wardrobe, this completely this all wardrobe I'm going to declutter it and rearrange it, and I'm going to share you the complete look after that. So from here I'm going to just show you how I'm decluttering and arranging it. So these are all the clothes which I'm going to donate to someone. So I'm going to arrange them in a bag. So as you can see, I have arranged all the donated clothes in this bag, and this bag is going to be donated and for the needed people. So yeah, next we will start our dressing table. As you can see, this is all the stuff which was taken from the top what we say partition or almirah, whatever top part of the almirah. So this all I need to declutter and I need to rearrange it back. So yeah, I have arranged all my closet, wardrobe and my dressing table, everything. I'm going to show you in a bit. Sorry I didn't complete my video yesterday because I was tired a lot after completing all the work, and please excuse this messy hair also. So now let's go to the wardrobe and see. So here are the 3 wardrobes which I have filled. This is mine, that is the dressing table, and that is my hubby. So first let's go to my dressing wardrobe, my wardrobe, and see. So once you open my wardrobe, it will be something like that. All the upper part of the hanging things are all about the costly dress, I can say. It's a function wear dress. Then this all are all my saris. These are my regular base saris. These are all my function wear saris, and these are some new dress materials and all. That is a small place where I keep all my keys and all, and that is my wallet. Coming to the down portion, you can see this is my regular base closet where I keep my all my nighties, night dress. That box behind, you can see that all are scarves. The down portion, this part is all the boxes. These are all the t-shirts, that are my sanitary pads and all. And these two drawers are my lingerie things, so I'm not going to show everything in that. And remaining this part is all my outwear. I mean, when I'm going out, that all I wear in this. So coming to this point, these are all my western outfits, means these are all my tops. Behind there are all my winter wears. This is one skirt, only the single skirt. Behind all jeans and all are there. And I will just show you with the flash which is better here. So behind there are all the winter wears. This is all the jeans and all. Behind all are my leggings and all, and these are all my kurtis and remaining all things. And this is only the single skirt. So this is my complete view of my wardrobe, if you see. So next, come to the dressing table. I will show you in the dressing table. So this is the look of the dressing table. There are 4 partitions of the dressing table, as you can see. So coming to the topmost part, that are all the random stuff which I'm having, like this is all the medicines of us. These are the stitching stuff and also all the random stuff and all is there. And this area is of mine and my hub, I can say. So this area is completely of my husband's wardrobe. So this is everything my hubby's place. So this is my wardrobe where I use a regular basis. Things are there, like these are some clips, some random stuff like stickers and all. These are all my face care, cream, skin care, everything. The makeup brushes, the lipsticks and all are there. And coming to the down part, if you see, here are my, what do you say, all my bands and all my makeup stuff, my hair, I mean my face packs stuff and all is there in that box. This box has the regular stuff which I use, regular lipsticks I use on a daily basis. This box has the complete liquid lipsticks, like some Shystlyes lipsticks are there, some streetwear lipsticks and all are there. This is the ADS Pro collection lipsticks. Some random lip gloss, I guess this is a random lip gloss. So this tube has the safety pins and all, and this is my nail polish collection. So yeah, this is all the dressing table. And next, coming to the down part, these are my all the hair accessory tools. This some random stuff with my hair accessory tools and all there. The down part is little bit messy because all of this medical files and all are there here. So after that, we go to this wardrobe, which is my husband's wardrobe. Once you open it, all the things I have kept here. His all the daily wear stuff is there. His office wear, all the stuff is there, and his pants and all is there. That is the random stuff of laundry. I mean, for the ironing and all, that is the bed sheet which I used to give. And this down section are all of the bed sheets and all. So yeah, this is all for my husband's wardrobe also. So yeah, this all was the stuff which I have rearranged everything. So remaining all I have done with this took 3 hours yesterday to complete for me. And yeah, that was a pretty much video. I thought to share this, how I rearrange or arrange all the things and all. So I thought to share so that it might help you for arranging or not. I am not having much stuffs and all, but yeah, still I thought to share with you guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and do comment down in the comment section and let me know how was this video and what more videos I need to film. So, and one more thing, the giveaway is running on my channel. Please go to my giveaway video. I will be linking down in the icon somewhere here, or it will be in the end of the video and even in the description box. So you go there, head down to the giveaway video and make sure to participate there. I will pretty soon catching with a new video. Till then, bye.